And now share screen. Press the button on the bottom again. No.
I'm gonna figure this out eventually.
Go back to where you were. Click that.
I took a screenshot.
Now just click in the middle, screen, share screen, the green. Click it, share screen again.
Okay, I think it was already showing up, but all right, guys. So you're gonna go into my orders, and then after my orders, whatever date range you want. So you want to review 2017. So the 1st through January 31st, right?
Wouldn't it be 26 or 24?
Yeah, however you want to do it, sure. Whatever dates you want.
I was just asking.
All right, so there's all my orders. So there are 238. Then you're going to export this. Clearly, I've done this a couple of times. It said 20. There you go. And what you can do is delete some of these down. How to figure out your average orders for different things. All right, so we're exported into Excel. Now see how column K is this type? Everybody see this? Okay, so you can actually control A, and then if you go to data, and there's sort, and then sort by column K. But if you have this, my data has headers, which it does, you're just gonna go down to type. There's my entire year sorted by business type, right? So business gifts. And then there's a couple different codes, right? So some of these are promotional orders, so like you'll want to delete that out. Regular is anything that's just like in-home. Like if you come over here, see how some of these are like internet or portal? That's how I can tell you exactly how much I sold, like, and I'll show you in a second, but I know exactly how much I sold to my rep portal because I actually sorted this to figure that out. And then
This is all off the initial list.
This is my orders, just exported, yep. And so you see all this, and then, so that's obviously, I don't know, actually I say obvious. If you come back over here, there's customer numbers, but you'll also, if you keep scrolling, you'll actually see event numbers. So I can see how much I sold at each event, right? Like I can tell you, because this is pre-shipped, these are malls, right? That was Memorial City Mall. But I can actually like figure out exactly how much I sold at each show based off of this. Let's scroll down a little bit further. They're all regular orders. And then there's like realtor, right? So then once you actually come in and sort this the way you want it, so if you know, like you sold catalogs, you can go back and figure out which customer was an actual catalog sale. And when you do that and you actually, you know which different types of your business you want more information on, you can actually come in here and under type, I just recategorize these, right? So business, catalog, corporate order, corporate service call, demo, errand show. I organize these by each show. Mall, fair and show service call leads, right? past customer that came and bought from me at an event, phone orders, portal orders, realtor. I'm even tracking like these were sold by somebody else on my ROR, and then sales and service events. So what I can do now, and like this is a lot, but it took me 30 minutes or an hour to just do my whole annual review. But I know when Kathy's like, what percentage of your business was business gifts? There it is, 6% right there.
So when you export it, it doesn't actually say RR on there.
No, I recategorize the type column here so that I could categorize it by however I wanted it labeled, right? So this middle column was stuff that I went and did manually, right? So I summed up each category. So you had business gifts, so I summed it from the CPO that they actually gave me from Vector Connect. And then I took my annual number and divided that sum over the number, and it gave me the percentage of my business. Here's another thing, guys. When you're trying to figure out your averages, there's a sum function in Excel. It's just average, right? And so now that I have all of these sorted, I just drag down by each category, and it gives me my average order.
One thing I wanted to mention about free ship, that if you do wellness method, it automatically show free ship, so it doesn't necessarily them all.
Right. So like there's non-mall, what I sold at the booth, parent show, right? And there's my average order.
Found that out the hard way.
What goes back there, Gmail?
Okay, makes sense. All right, Kathy, how do I stop this?
Go back to the top.
Stop, sure.
And